Scale up your success with Samsung Biologics to deliver your product to patients in need. As the world's leading CDMO, Samsung Biologics' capacity and flexibility enable us to manufacture at multiple scales with great speed every step of the way. With proven track record from all major regulatory agencies and cGMP-compliant facilities for DS and DP, we guarantee exceptional product quality and safety with a high batch success rate. In order for us to facilitate seamless scale-up from clinical to commercial manufacturing, our DS suites range from 1,000-liter to 15,000-liter bioreactors, as well as single-use and stainless steel production options. Our aseptic fill-finish service ensures high throughput filling with quality assurance. We have a wide range of flexible DP batch sizes from 5 to 2,500 liters with a capacity of up to 350,000 vials per day. Samsung Biologics is expanding its capacity to meet client goals. Our second biocampus will feature an open innovation center for biotech incubation and 4 plants for a total capacity of 720,000 liters. Marking the first phase of this site, Plant 5 will add a capacity of 180,000 liters upon its completion in April 2025. It will include features such as seamless process integration and optimization, as well as advanced automation to consistently deliver high productivity and quality. From early phase to clinical and commercial manufacturing, these end-to-end services are tailored to your needs, all within a single site. Our unmatched speed, accuracy, and quality are how we accelerate your success. We are driven for life.